Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and today I have a haul from Clinique. It's been a while since I've done a mainstream haul of a mainstream beauty brand. I do like mainstream beauty brands, although I cover a lot of K-beauty and a lot of independent brands. I do like all the mainstream brands too. Well, not all of them, but I do like mainstream brands too. And I've used Clinique in the past, and I haven't used anything from Clinique in quite a bit. And now I'm back on a Clinique kick. So this is an actual purchase with purchase. And yes, that's exactly what it means. You spend a certain amount, then you are able to buy this for a discounted amount. So this is called the Best of Clinique. It does contain 7 full-size items. And if you price each of these out individually, it does come out to about $260. And whenever you buy something and then you purchase this at the discounted amount, you get all of these for $49.50. So pretty cool deal. It's available at any counters where you find Clinique. So it's a pretty good deal, and I just couldn't resist it. So I went ahead and purchased that today. So for the sake of time, I've already opened it up and taken out all the stuffing and all that. So it does come in this really cute pink makeup bag. I'm a sucker for makeup bags, skincare bags, beauty bags. Anytime, I always love being able to put an entire collection of skincare or makeup or both or whatever inside of a bag. There's something about that. I love that kind of organization in my beauty. So you just open it up. It's just a simple bag. It's very sizable. And I'll show you what all I got. So first, it comes with a cleanser. This is the Clinique All About Clean Foaming Facial Soap. So this is for if you have dry skin or combination skin. I have pretty balanced skin. So for me, this is just a nice daily foaming cleanser. And I know this is a very popular cleanser. That's why it's in this kit. It's called the Best of Clinique. These are also going to be like the most popular items from Clinique, or some of the most popular items. So we got a cleanser. Next we have, I love this stuff, Take Off the Day Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. And it's a biphase formula, so you shake it up before you use it. Just put this on a cotton pad, cotton ball, or what I now use nowadays, I usually use washcloths or makeup remover cloths, but not actual makeup wipes. I like to use products like these to remove my eye makeup, or whenever I'm wearing a really highly pigmented lip product, this takes it right off. This is a great product. I love it. Next, I think everybody's tried this at least once, and it's a cult favorite. This is the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion Plus. It's been around for ages. It's the yellow moisturizer. You can use this day and night, so that's great. So I like that they included this because they give you this, but then there's also an actual daytime moisturizer. This is Clinique Smart. This is broad spectrum SPF 15. This is a custom repair moisturizer. I used this ages ago when it very first came out, and I'm excited to try it again. So this is good for a lot of the people out there that do have sensitive skin. It's got that nice creamy texture. It's got SPF 15. It is fragrance free. So for those of you that are sensitive to fragrance in skincare products, this is a great moisturizer. Plus you get a little bit of sun protection, SPF 15. Although nowadays I think SPF 50 is really becoming the standard, but some sunscreen is better than no sunscreen, so I do like this. And then we've got a couple more items. I've used this in the past and loved it. This is Clinique All About Eyes, and it's just, I love the texture of this. It is just this really light gel cream eye cream. I love it. And you know, does what you want any eye cream to do. It reduces circles, reduces puffiness. It feels ultra hydrating, just very nice, very moisturizing. Love it. And then we got 2 makeup items. We got the High Impact Mascara. This is their most popular mascara, and it's got that nice, thick, long brush to really give you nice, thick looking lashes without clumps. Love it. And then the final item, and I'll actually go ahead and try this on because I'm curious to try it. This is the shade Love Pop. And this is the Clinique Pop Lip Color and Primer. So it's supposed to have a built-in lip primer for your lipstick. Very pretty shade. This is called Love Pop. And the built-in primer is supposed to help, you know, for maximum application as well as extended wear time. So let's go ahead and try this on, shall we? That has nice pigmentation. It has a lightweight feel to it. Has a little bit of shine. I like that I was able to build the color so you can make it a little more intense. That's very pretty, and it does feel very nice on the lips. And I don't notice any kind of fragrance. So that is Love Pop. So that is my Clinique haul. Have you used anything from Clinique ever? What are your favorite items from Clinique? I'm just excited to have some of this skincare in my life again. It's been a while. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and leave me some comments down below. I love it when you guys interact with me. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.